In this video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over with some watch bands by a company called Jessenia. Check this out. I think I'm saying that right, Jessenia. I have two here. I've just put one on. I've been wearing this one all day long. This is my Garmin VO Active watch, and this is the band that I've had on there, which is like a sports style band. This is a 100% leather watch band, and this one fits a sport watch, and it's got ventilation throughout the area there. It's super soft, feels good, looks nice and premium on your hand right here, on your wrist. I really like the setup on this, and let me just kind of like take it off and show you exactly what it looks like. Really easy to put on. It just makes it makes your smartwatch or just watch in general just look a little more premium. You can see how easily this is to put on. You really just like any other watch band. You got a little slider right here and a little slider right there. These are one of these items where, you know, if you just want your watch to look a little better and a little softer band, I highly recommend these things. So I also have the Series 8 watch here, and I'm going to show y'all real quick how easily you can install this on there. So this is the one for the Apple Watch here, and you know, it is easy to tear these boxes, by the way. This is what they look like. I've already had it out and tried it. Check this out. This actually has an adapter. This is not like on there. So this is a 2-in-1 band. This will fit anything with a normal like attachment right here, and this will fit a Apple Watch. So I'll show you how easily this slides onto the Apple Watch. You know, on these, you know, Apple Watches, you mash that little thing there, you slide it out on the side, and check this out. So it's got that little adapter. This slides in there so smoothly. Bam, locked in place, will not move right there. I want to do this side, same way, mash the little button, slide it out, locked in place. And you see how what it is, it's an attachment right there if you want to take it off. These are like, they have the label on the inside, and this is all 100% leather. Very soft, very premium feeling when you feel of it in your hand right here, and it looks good on your wrist. You can see how nice that looks right there. It has I went ahead and went with the orange and black because I wanted a little more style in it, and then looking at this, you can kind of see how I went with the red and black. So there it is, everybody. See you guys in the next video. Woo!